about the Kim's Kitchen. I've got a special request from Laura in Norway to put on my chocolate mousse. It's a little bit complicated, but it's really worth it because at the end it's light and fluffy. You can do simple ones with whipped cream, chocolate and a bit of whiskey, but it's just a bit heavy. So persevere and enjoy. "200 grams of broken dark chocolate. I mean, the higher the cocoa, normally the better the quality. I got 45% and it comes out nice. Popped it in the microwave in the glass bowl. I'm going to give it 40 seconds, and then I'm going to give it 30 seconds, and then I'm going to give it 10 seconds after that until it's 95% melted, and then I'm going to let it, the natural heat from the chocolate melt the rest of it, because you don't want to overcook it. So the chocolate went on for 40 seconds, I checked it, then 30 seconds, checked it, and then 3 lots of 10 seconds. And then it comes out, and then add soft butter to it, and not refrigerated butter, otherwise it will just make the chocolate go hard, and then you have to put it back in the microwave. And then it's got to be really as cold as you can get it before you add the whipped up egg white and beaten cream. Sometimes I pop it in the fridge and then just check it every couple of minutes to bring it down in temperature. So I popped in the butter, I'm just going to fold that through. So I folded through the soft butter, I'm just going to fold through about 50 mils of whipping cream. So that's the chocolate, and then the soft butter goes in. Just beat that through gently and then add the cream straight away, about 50 mils, and then you get like a very sort of, it's like a thick shake, but it's not gone firm. And just wait for that to cool down. I've just got the egg yolk, and I beat that up with about 10 grams of caster sugar till it's light and fluffy. So I just remembered you can actually do the egg white first, and you can beat that up until it's really stiff, and then add your 10 grams of caster sugar and keep beating. Just gives it a nice glossy texture, and then you don't have to clean the whisk, you can go straight into your egg yolk and your sugar that's in the other bowl and whisk that up, and that will become thick as well. So I've beaten the egg whites till they're stiff, and then I'm going to add my 10 grams of caster sugar and beat a bit more, and that'll be ready. So I've whisked up the cream, just started to go to ribbon stage where you can see the whisk marks through it, and then I turn it off because I don't want to over whip it. So I popped in the chocolate into the cream, and I'm going to fold that through. I'm now going to fold through the whipped up yolk and sugar and the egg white gently. Okay, that's all incorporated. It's very light, very fluffy, and then you can put it into any vessel you want. You can put it in a nice champagne glass, any nice container you've got. You can serve it whole in a larger bowl, and I'll show you how I decorate it 3 different ways. So I've got my chocolate mousse in my little trendy moulds, and I've just scraped off the top so they're all smooth. You can do them 3 ways or any way you like. I do grated chocolate, which I just grate into that grater over there on a fine grater. Pop in the fridge. I've got one where in the piping bag that I've pre-melted chocolate. What I do is I just get about 80-90% of the chocolate, melt it, and then add the other 10%. So that tempers it, and that makes it go hard when you use it, so it doesn't become all sticky. And then you can keep that in the fridge, and then just give it a microwave every 10 seconds at a time to melt it back again and use it again. I also do one called a cappuccino, where I put cream on top, so I only fill the moulds 3/4, and then I'll put cream on top and a little bit of cocoa powder so it looks like a cappuccino. That's my finished chocolate mousse. They are very light, very tasty. Bit more work. I mean, some people out there just do melted chocolate and whipped cream. I do like these. One's got the grated chocolate on top, sprinkled all over. One's got the run out chocolate, I've just run out on top, and one's the cappuccino. So I've just finished a little bit of cream on top, scrape it out, cocoa, all different. But the mousse is nice. Enjoy.